Hi, okay, so this is the continuing the series, the video series, creating the bonnet structure. And I've been a bit of an idiot. Excuse me. You can see, so I had a list here. Where's my list? Of pieces which I've been cutting up. So and then let's see, bonnet number 59, and I printed these out. I numbered them all earlier. 59, 60. Where's number 59? 55. There we go. 57, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. All right, so that part 59 is the mirror of this one, and it is a 13 T13 means 13 millimeter diameter, and a 21.5 means one of these. All right, now I also wrote down on here the X, Y, and the height of each of these points in the position that they're in. Okay, so this one is is here, this node here, which is boink, that one is supposed to be 55 centimeters off the ground, 77 centimeters that way, so to the this way, so from there to the center line, which is about halfway between this pipe, should be 77 centimeters, and it is 117 back from, and the very front one is 7, so it is 110 from here to there. All right, so but it's from the center of this sphere, which is on the nodes. All right. So let's take this one and that one, and these are the front ones here, and it's a -30 and a +30. Okay, so from this sphere here, the middle of that sphere to the center of that sphere to the center of that sphere, should be 60 centimeters. And so let us put that on there. And it's freaking 61. The center of this one is 61 there. Now, the thing is, I have absolutely no idea how the bloody hell this happened, because I've measured these, right, and from there to there is accurately 3D printed, and on the 3D CAD drawing, the pipes definitely fit correctly at that end to that end. Where's my finger? There. Those fit correctly, and the pipe itself has the, where did I put the piece of paper? Put the piece of paper on the pipe. Let me see it on the camera. Where's the camera? There's the camera. There we go. So 21.5. Now bonnet pipe number 19, and this should be 55.7 millimeters long. So let's put that on there. 50, 55, you can see 55.7. Yeah, it's correct. So, I don't understand. It's actually, you know what, 55.7. 55.7 leaves us with 60 minus 55.7 is 4.3. 4.3 divided by 2 . 4.3 divided by 2 from that centre there. 4.3 divided by 2 is 21.5. Yeah. And you can see that is completely out. That's an entire 10 millimeters out. I think so. That is down to me incorrectly calculating and printing out the wrong length somewhere, and I have no idea where, and I've got to find it. Lesson learnt here. Try one pipe before proceeding to doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, before doing 20. Fools rush in. Yeah. All right. So got to find that. It's down to a software error on my part in the printing out the pipe length, and I'll track it down. I won't hack it. I will. I will find it. Thank you very much.